Hey everyone! Tired of chopping onions by hand or wrestling with a dull knife just to make dinner? I've been there, and it's a total drag until I grabbed 3 food processors from Amazon to find the best one you didn't even know you needed for 2025. We've got the Cuisinart Mini Prep 3 Cup, the Hamilton Beach 10 Cup, and the Black Plus Decker 1.5 Cup chopper. I'm comparing them for speed, size, and those sneaky features that'll make your kitchen prep a breeze. Trust me, you're gonna want one of these. Quick heads up, all the Amazon details are in the pinned first comment and description below. Stick around, like this video, subscribe to Daily Dwell Essentials, and hit that bell. I'm spilling the secrets on these game changers. Let's chop it up. Before I dive in, here's what I checked out. How fast they chop, how much they hold, because size totally matters. How cool they look on my counter, and extras like slicing discs or pulse controls that make them stand out. I tested these with onions, carrots, and sauces, so you're getting the real deal. Ready to see which one's the best? Let's get to it. First up, the Cuisinart Mini Prep 3 Cup. This little guy's a ninja. I tested it, and it diced an onion in 10 seconds flat, smooth as butter, thanks to its 250 watts and reversible blade. It's got 3 cups of capacity, perfect for small batches like pesto or garlic, and switches between chop and grind modes. Super handy for spices. The brushed chrome finish. Total countertop chic. I'm guessing it's around $40 on Amazon. The pros? Fast, compact, and versatile. Amazon folks give it tons of love for quick jobs. The catch? It's tiny, so big batches are a no-go, and you've got to hold the button down. If you're cooking for 1 or 2, this is your pick. Search Cuisinart Mini Prep 3 Cup on Amazon via the pinned first comment or description and snag it before it's gone. Next, the Hamilton Beach 10 Cup. This one's a beast for the price. It's got 450 watts, so it shredded carrots in like 5 seconds and pureed hummus silky smooth. It holds 10 cups, great for a family, and comes with slicing and shredding discs plus a bowl scraper, which I loved for keeping things tidy. Probably around $60. The good stuff? Big capacity, versatile, and that scraper's a lifesaver, perfect for meal preppers. Downsides? It's louder than the others, and setup's a bit fiddly. If you're feeding a crowd, look for Hamilton Beach Food Processor 10 Cup on Amazon. Pinned comment and description have the scoop. Last up, the Black Plus Decker 1.5 Cup chopper. This tiny titan surprised me. With 150 watts and a one-touch pulse, it minced garlic in seconds. Sharp blade, no fuss. It's super small, just 1.5 cups, so it's perfect for dips or herbs, and it's around $25. The pros? Cheap, easy, and dishwasher safe. Great for quick tasks. The downside? Tiny capacity means you're chopping in batches and no extra functions. If you want a budget buddy, search Black Plus Decker 1.5 Cup chopper on Amazon, pinned comment or description. Go check it out. So, which food processor's the best you didn't know you needed for 2025? If you're after speed and small batches for around $40, the Cuisinart Mini Prep 3 Cup is my go-to. Quick and slick. Cooking for a crew? The Hamilton Beach 10 Cup at $60 is your powerhouse. Big and versatile. Or if you're on a tight budget and just need basics for $25, the Black Plus Decker chopper's your steal. Here's the deal. Rush to the pinned first comment or description right now to find Cuisinart Mini Prep 3 Cup, Hamilton Beach Food Processor 10 Cup, or Black Plus Decker 1.5 Cup chopper on Amazon and buy before they're gone. These prices won't last, and you don't want to be stuck chopping by hand in 2025. Like this video if it helped, subscribe to Daily Dwell Essentials, and hit that bell for more reviews. Comment below, which one's your pick? Let's make prep a breeze. Go check the pinned comment and description now.